The LG TV Aircode 109 indicates an unreachable IP address problem, which can be caused by network connectivity issues, outdated firmware, or a software glitch. To resolve this issue, start by checking that the TV is connected to the internet and ensuring the connection is secure and stable. If the connection is weak, try moving the TV closer to the router. If the issue persists, perform a hard reset on the router by switching it off and waiting a few minutes before turning it back on. Additionally, check for any available firmware updates on the TV and install them if necessary. Resetting the TV may also help, as a software glitch could be the cause of the problem. Simply turn off the TV, let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes, and then turn it back on. This should help establish a more secure network connection. If none of these solutions work, it may be necessary to contact a professional for further guidance.